There you have it. Nice and lovely, guys. Nice and delicious. And I must tell you, freestyle, it's just a vibe going on right here. Escovitch fried chicken, rain freestyle way. Nice and delicious. Nice and lovely. It's the vibe.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for her rain freestyle adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Freestyle Nation, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Freestyle today, we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some escovitch fried chicken, the rain freestyle way. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. In the meantime, guys, remember, like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Now time to cook freestyle. And to all my new subscribers, welcome aboard. You know the vibes, freestyle. Yes, my freestyle nation, it's all about some escovitch fried chicken, but I'll be doing my escovitch fried chicken a different way from the way I would normally do it, you know what I mean? And as you can see, guys, I went ahead and I already fried my chicken. And as to how I season my chicken, guys, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Right here I have some chicken season, Maggi that is. Maggi all-purpose season. Black pepper, I have some season to the bone season. And my number one spices of all spices, guys, I'm gonna cook without my pimento berries, you know what I mean? So right here now, freestyle is my natural season already prepped, as you can see. I'm using sweet pepper, carrot, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, thyme, scallion, garlic, a piece of tomato. So that is basically it for the natural season. So what I'll be doing now, guys, I will go ahead and start the preparation of my sauce. So just stick and stay, guys. In the meantime, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit the subscription button, join the freestyle movement. And guys, each time you subscribe, guys, remember to hit the notification bell that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So I will go ahead now, guys, and start the preparation for my escovitch sauce. Stay tuned for that, you know the vibes. Freestyle. Okay, right here I have some oil from the fried chicken. Now it's time for me to go ahead and add my natural season to the pot. And as I said before, guys, onion, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, sweet pepper, a piece of garlic, and that's about it. Adding my season, as you want your season to saute so you could get the right flavor from your natural season. Now after adding my season, guys, I will stir. And I'm going to leave my season to saute for probably like about 6 minutes. Then we're going to add our spices, soon come back, you know the vibe. Freestyle, while I saute my natural season, I'll go ahead and add some spices. And right here, guys, is my pimento berries. And as you can see, guys, I crushed the pimento berries so I get the full flavor from it. So I will now go ahead and add some amount of the pimento berries. As you know, guys, the flavor you get from the pimento is just a complete vibe freestyle. So here you have it. After adding the pimento, guys, I will go ahead and add some Maggi all-purpose season. Now freestyle, you know, it's all about the taste. It's all about the flavor over here, you know what I mean? After adding my all-purpose season, I'll go ahead and add some chicken season. Don't want to add too much. Then after that, guys, I'm going to add a small amount of my season to the bone spices. Season to the bone spice. Add a small amount. Then we're going to go ahead and add a small amount of black pepper. After adding all those spices, freestyle, we'll go ahead and stir everything together. And I must tell you guys, the aroma you get from the natural season and the spices, it's just different. It's just a vibe. So I'll just leave it, guys, to just sit here and take it only the time and cook, so we could get all the flavor out of it. Then we'll take it from there. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Escovitch fried chicken, or rain freestyle way. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. You know what freestyle is all about? The flavor, it's all about the taste. So sit back, relax, and watch what go on. Freestyle, our sauce is coming along nice and lovely. I will now go ahead and add some ketchup. And guys, as for your natural season, you don't want to have a natural season cooked too soft either. So after adding the ketchup, guys, it should be completed basically. Adding my ketchup, guys, you want to stir. And as I said before, guys, the aroma that you get from this sauce is just a complete vibe. It just makes you want to dive in. Let me go ahead and have a taste of this lovely sauce. And guys, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. It doesn't get any better than this. Add some more water to it. Escovitch fried chicken, rain freestyle way. You know the vibe. Now freestyle, I'm going to cover the pot and give it probably like about the next minute or two. Then we should be completed. Stay tuned. You know the vibes. Now freestyle, our escovitch sauce is now completed. I'm now going to turn the stove off. Stay tuned. So our sauce is now ready. And as you can see, our chicken is well fried. Now it's time for us to go ahead and apply the sauce to our fried chicken. Here you have it. Nice and lovely, guys. Nice and delicious. And I must tell you, freestyle, it's just a vibe going on right here. Escovitch fried chicken, rain freestyle way. Nice and delicious. Nice and lovely. It's the vibes. Now here you have it, freestyle. The aroma, the taste, and I must tell you guys, it's just a complete vibe. Escovitch fried chicken, rain freestyle way. It doesn't get any better than this. I must tell you guys, to taste it is to believe it, to smell it is to believe it. It's just a complete vibe. Look at that. Nice and colorful, nice and delicious. And you know, when you come on to freestyle, it's all about the flavor, it's all about the taste. So you know the vibes, freestyle. You know what to do. Just hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. We're on our way to 4K subs. Appreciate all my new subscribers, all my day one subscribers. Salute, art, love and love alone. You know the vibes. Escovitch fried chicken, rain freestyle way. It doesn't get any better than this. And freestyle, of course, you know it's a Sunday special. So to go with my escovitch fried chicken, right here I have some gungo peas rice. Nice and delicious. As you can see, guys, nice and steamy. And it just doesn't get any better than this. Gungo peas rice, escovitch fried chicken, the rain freestyle way. Until next time, freestyle, you know the vibes. Catch you in the next one. Remember, guys, like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.